Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Yes. Good morning. You see, this meeting is going to be very, very brief. In fact, where is Aisha?
Digital landlord, Aisha don't come out. If you give it to you, want tell us. We're here now.
You see that girl Aisha, she has been giving me problem in this house and I will not take it. I told her this morning that there's meeting. She has the guts to go outside. Our own is a separate case. Like I was saying, you see this meeting, I'm going to make it very, very brief. No comment, no suggestion till the end of the meeting. Number one, what I want to discuss about. See, I am not just a digital landlord for no reason. Don't do. I'm coming yet. I'm not a digital landlord for no reason. I can't be a digital landlord and my compound will be dirty like this. I don't like the way this compound is dirty. You guys, you don't sweep this compound. Look at your face, as beautiful as your face is her. You cannot keep this compound beautiful like that. They will just see you people now and say, beautiful girl, beautiful girl. Look at the company people are. You don't sweep, you don't do anything. I don't like it. The other day, I was walking around and I saw a pant lingering around the corner. Don't say And the way I'm looking at it, Eva, it looked like yours.
Yeah.
Yes.
Digital landlord.
You. I told you there's meeting this morning. Look at the time you are coming. You mean you not disregard me, digital landlord. You not disobey me. Look at the time you are coming for the meeting.
Digital landlord, as you can see, I am dressed to go out. I was inside my room dressing up when you called for this your meeting. So you don't expect me say make I leave my dress and call for this your meeting. And you don't be saying you want share money sir for this meeting.
Oh, because money is not involved with the meeting now. You are coming late. Let's leave your matter for now. Secondly, see this second issue. I want you, even though you don't take the first one serious, this second one take it very, very serious. So I'm telling all of you like this. Take this second one very, very serious.
Digital landlord, stop now.
Be brief now. You said you want to
You
be
said
brief.
brief meeting. I don't even understand.
Okay.
Wow.
Okay. You see this second one. I'm not joking with it. I'm not joking, no. I don't want to ever see any male visitor in this house. Yes.
You lie. Now that's one no go happen for this compound. Digital landlord, it no go happen for this compound.
Shut up. When I'm talking, you don't talk. Hey, shut up. You, Eva, you know you are looking for trouble in this house. Digital landlord, you are giving all these girls the chance to insult me. Shay, Abi, no problem. Wait up, why you open your mouth like that? See, as I was saying, it is not possible. It is not possible. I'll bring my boyfriend, every man in this world that I know, I'll bring them to this house. Rubbish.
Hey, okay. Digital landlord, as you say this meeting don't end, you don't get anything you want to talk. As you allow this cockroach come and insult me this morning, don't they go?
No male visitor. Period. If you know you cannot adhere to the rules, you go.
Digital landlord, I'm going now.
Landlord, you said your compound is dirty.
Yes, it's
Are
dirty.
we the cleaners?
Clean the compound though. Clean your quarter.
If you cannot clean your compound, then pay someone to come and clean your compound. We are not the cleaners here.
It is you people that will pay. And Eva, why are you waiting?
You see how I'm standing and I'm looking at you. Wait, you allow that thing. Anyway, let me not even come to her. You say I should not bring what? My any man, Abi?
I don't want to see any man in this compound.
You lie. I will bring my boyfriend. I will bring my boyfriend. I will bring my sugar daddy. I will bring my sugar grandpa. I will bring my sugar great grandpa in this compound, and you will not do anything.
Even that one will not happen in this house.
It will happen. Oh.
I don't want to see any male visitor in this house.
Bet me.
It will not happen, no. It will not happen.
You will not do anything.
Okay, let's watch and see. If I will not pack you from this house, I am the only man in this house, so no man will come to this house. Rubbish. You want to be giving the food I'm eating to every other man. No man will come to look for you people in this house. This is absolutely rubbish. Rubbish. I own you all of you like this. I own you all, so no man will come to this compound. Period. Giving my food to somebody I don't know. If you cannot adhere to my rules, you get out of this compound. I pursue you and bring somebody better. Rubbish. Aisha.
Good afternoon.
Aisha, waiting good about this afternoon.
Haba. Answer my greeting first now. I say good afternoon. Answer first. Why your blood is so hot? Calm down.
Aisha, where my rent?
Haba muna. No, they do like that. This salary. No, yes. I don't tell you. So next week I will pay you the rent. Calm down, muna.
Make I not vex, you go pay me next week. You see what they talk? Why you not feel they do like other girls? Eh? Just allow me enter your Jerusalem. You no need to pay me.
Okay, you went to go to Jerusalem. Okay, me I know they go to Jerusalem for now. Make I don't go. Am I if you want to enter, you can enter. No problem.
You serious?
What don't concern me? If you want to enter, make I enter. No concern me.
Make I enter Mecca.
What don't concern me? Now your problem. You be enter. No concern me.
You serious?
I'm very serious. No concern me. Shege, now the Mecca you want to enter. Now the Mecca where you talk with this.
But now you say make I enter your Mecca now.
You are a very, very stupid digital landlord. Shege don't broke, but then Shasha don't do why. A very stupid man. Come on, to here Mecca. I still want to come and enter my Mecca. Don't crash your car for this confine. For this confine, me and you, we go kill ourselves. I go kill you before you kill me. Shege, call yourself digital landlord. See your cap, everything I fake.
Aisha, you. If you not pay my money before the end of today, just pack up for this house. In fact, not pay me again. Just pack your things, Come up from my house. I don't want you for this house again. Look, see this shege Hausa girl. Nonsense. Come up from my house. This is my baby. See. Now that you've given me the opportunity to always enter your Jerusalem, see, I will do everything for you. I will protect you. I will guide you. I will bless you. See, there's nothing I will not do for you in this life.
Lord, are you sure?
You ask if I'm sure. What can I not do for you? See, I will catch a grenade for you. I'm very, very serious. So, see, I will pull the moon down for you. I'm very serious. See, let me tell you. Apart from the fact that you are not paying rent, from now onward, me, digital landlord, I'll be paying rent to you.
Really?
Yeah! Seriously, I will be paying you rent. You see, all these girls in this compound, they're always eyeing me. Especially that one that they call Jennifer. She's always eyeing me.
Digital landlord, don't give them any chance.
See, now that you have come, you are their mother. Nobody, I'm not giving anybody any chance. It's just me and you. You know now that you told me you are portable. Now I'm seeing the real reason that you are portable.
I know you like something portable.
I love it portable. I don't tell this boy me teach me how they do transfer.
Digital landlord.
Jenny.
I don't define you since. No, now here you sit down.
I lost. Why you dey find me up and down?
No be so. Landlord, see, I get one thing I want make we talk about. See, I want make we stop to dey sleep with each other. Make I focus on my boyfriend.
So because of that Yahoo boy, now you want make me and you stop to dey see each other. So you know why allow me to enter your Jerusalem because of that Yahoo boy? See, make I tell you something. You see all these Yahoo boys, I know them. No, that boy not love you. He's just deceiving you. See, the only thing when that boy want, he just want to enter your Jerusalem. And once he don't enter your Jerusalem, he go wrong. He not love you.
Digital landlord, now that why you not take get and where. See, make I tell you, see that my bobo, he don't enter his Jerusalem more than 50 times. I can't they love me more and more.
You don't enter your Jerusalem more than 50 times. Come off it now. See, you know say I love you. I love you. See, the way I love you, I don't love any other person like that. See, if I don't love you, I don't even give you house for free now. I be the parent, you know the parent. That the love when I get for you, that make me know they collect rent for your hand. I be that your Yahoo boy if you do, Eh?
Okay. I know say I dey stay for your house free, but that one no mean say I no focus on my boyfriend. You see, check am now, you don't get family, you get pikin, you get wife somewhere. Shey me, I no come get my own family.
No, not doing like that. You no go work. Abi you wan start to dey pay house rent? You no go work nah. You know if you just because of that your boy, you know if you just tell me say make I no dey enter your Jerusalem again nah. Eh?
Anyway, I don't talk my own. I dey go my friend place. So make yourself reason am, but I go still check. But you know if you just work again, eh?
See, Jennifer, I no need to reason now. Now you need to reason now well. Eh? Now you need to reason now. Think am well. Eh?
This down one, you go hard to. I don't just know. I dey go my friend place. Eh?
Not let am hide abeg, eh? So because of that Yahoo boy now you know make I dey enter your Jerusalem again. You no go work oh, except you wan start to dey pay for house rent oh. You no go work oh. You no go work oh. Eh? No be only house rent you go start to dey pay for, even the ones when I don live for you before. You go pay everything together oh. So make you reconsider this thing when you dey talk now. E no go work oh.
Hey guys, the boy Chinedu Mitchell aka Small Daddy. Thanks for watching this wonderful video and make sure you subscribe to Zionja TV. Make sure you turn on post notification. Thank you.